Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. Today we're going to be going over the Boom Junction Box, most likely located on the passenger side of your boom. So what runs through here is your ID light mounted on the first section at the top of your truck, at the rear, as well as your turret lights here and the light on your jib. So to remove this cover here, we'll take a number 2 Phillips and remove these 4 plastic screws. And once we're inside of the box here, you'll see there are 6 terminal strips in here. Number 1 on the right-hand side is where we'll have power and ground coming in to power our ID light mounted on the rear of the pump on the first boom section. So power in will be on the right-hand side for that, and power out will be on the left-hand side. And then we'll go down the list here. Number 3 and 4 will be empty unless you have a horn on tip. And we'll look at number 5 and 6. And on the very far right-hand side, we'll have wires number 5 and 6 coming in. That'll be feeding power to your turret lights and your light on the jib. And in the rest of the terminals there, all in numbers 5 and 6, we have all 3 lights plugged in. So if you're having any issues with your turret lights or your ID light, anything like that, a good place to come to check is this box right here. Make sure none of these wires are pulled out. You can do a quick tug test on them, make sure they're nice and tight. And you can actually use a multimeter and test for power right inside of here as well. If you have any further questions on this, please feel free to give us a call.